Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and strategies for building wealth through smart investing. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the stock market and sharing everything you need to know to start investing wisely. So, if you're ready to grow your wealth and secure your financial future, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we begin investing, let's first understand the stock market. The stock market is a platform where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly traded companies. It provides investors with an opportunity to own a portion of a company and profit from its growth. There are two primary stock markets: the primary market, where initial public offerings, IPOs, occur, and the secondary market, where investors trade existing shares. The most common indices you'll hear about are the S&P 500, Dow Jones Industrial Average, and Nasdaq Composite. Investing in the stock market requires setting clear goals. Ask yourself, what are you investing for? Are you aiming for long-term growth, generating passive income, or saving for a specific milestone like retirement? Define your investment time horizon and risk tolerance. Longer investment horizons generally allow for more aggressive strategies, while shorter horizons may necessitate a more conservative approach. Assess your risk tolerance honestly to strike a balance that aligns with your goals. When investing in the stock market, it's crucial to conduct thorough research. Start by studying the company's financial statements, such as its balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Look for consistent revenue growth, strong profitability, and manageable debt levels. Keep an eye on industry trends, competitive advantages, and the company's management team. Understanding the company's position within its industry will help you make more informed investment decisions. Diversification is the key to managing risk and protecting your investment portfolio. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, spread your investments across different industries, sectors, and asset classes. This strategy helps reduce the impact of any individual investment's performance on your overall portfolio. Another essential aspect is asset allocation, or how you divide your investments among stocks, bonds, and other asset classes. Determine the right balance based on your risk tolerance, goals, and investment horizon. Now that we've covered the basics, let's discuss popular investing strategies. Some common approaches include value investing, growth investing, and dividend investing. Each strategy has its own merits and suits different types of investors. Additionally, you may consider dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly regardless of market conditions. This strategy helps smooth out market volatility and can be an effective long-term investment approach. Investing in the stock market is an ongoing learning process. Stay informed about market news, company updates, and economic indicators that may impact your investments. Subscribe to financial publications, follow reputable analysts, and utilize stock market research tools to stay ahead. Loss of capital. Investing in stocks involves the risk of losing a portion or even the entirety of your invested capital. Individual companies can experience financial difficulties, bankruptcy, or poor management decisions that can result in a decline in stock prices and potential losses for investors. Market uncertainty. The stock market is influenced by a wide range of factors, including economic indicators, political events, and global trends. Uncertainty and unexpected events, such as recessions, market crashes, or geopolitical crises, can cause significant market downturns and negatively impact investments. Lack of control. As an individual investor, you have limited control over the performance and direction of the stock market. External factors and market forces can have a substantial impact on your investments, making it impossible to predict or control outcomes with certainty. Time and effort. Successful investing in the stock market requires time, research, and ongoing monitoring. It demands a commitment to staying informed about market trends, analyzing company financials, and making informed decisions. For some individuals, the time and effort required may be a significant drawback. Remember, the market is dynamic, and your investment strategy may need adjustments over time. Regularly review your portfolio, rebalance when necessary, and be ready to adapt to changing market conditions. Congratulations! You've now gained a solid understanding of investing in the stock market. Remember to invest based on thorough research, diversify your portfolio, and align your strategy with your goals. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.